How to make your first sale online. Yeah, but why am I on this page? It's because today Michael Cheney launched a new product called 7-figure affiliate system where you can partner with him for a pretty low fee. As you can see, it's $9.95. I bought this products and I will show you inside what you get for $9.95. It has a 30-day money-back guarantee as well, and you get different types of bonuses for signing up. There's a whole lot of bonuses, as you can see here. You can click the link below to see all the bonuses. You can see testimonials for previous students, as Michael Cheney is a very successful entrepreneur, and he shares the tactics that he has been using, and it fits even complete newbies, even if you never have been involved with affiliate marketing before. But now I thought we should jump into the back office so you see what you get for $9.95. So when you first log in, you get a video from Michael Cheney, and there's this 3-step you gotta follow to make the most of this product. And the live orientation, that's not, attend that class. And then you click this to join the Facebook group, and you click step 3 to get started with the program. So here are the different steps. You just click on each step, and then you click on watch the video. And you will find that the videos are pretty short. They are not too long, so you won't get bored. And it's really good stuff in there as well, so you won't get bored because it's real value what you gotta do to start with this training. And and of course it's Michael Cheney that's in all the videos. And here's the next step, get your money link. You get that, how to get that. And then you get ready-made promos that you can use in different ways on blog posts, on Facebook and more. And how to get your audience, so you get, through free traffic. And get content that you can use to promote, already created. And it's Michael Cheney, of course, know after all these years what works that will make the students money and so on. And then he talks about get traffic, and he talks about get sales along other resources you can download. And here you find the bonuses, and there's a different upgrade. Of course, you can, for instance, get traffic campaigns, autoresponding campaigns, and to see how they're using an email campaign to make sure that students make money. And here's a behind the scenes, 400k and so on. Premium partner pack, that's an upgrade, but still you get a lot of good training and content to start making money with this program, because it will be your program. Because you will earn 100% commissions once you sign up for $9.95, so you don't have to set up any business, any offers, and such things. You have everything set up here, but if you want to make more money, you can consider some upgrade. But if you want to get set up or just get started, then click the link below. And thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe and give it a like, and have a nice day. Bye bye.